Do you find it difficult to fall asleep, or you often wake up in between? Do you feel loss of productivity? If yes, then you may have sleep deprivation. Ayurveda has a super herb for sleep, that is Tagar. Let's understand its functions. Number 1. It promotes and improves quality of sleep. Number 2. It enhances restfulness. Number 3. It modulates anxiety and stress. Number 4. It improves overall sense of well-being. So, Tagar is also an ingredient to improve sleep quality in Zzowin Nutra formulated by Vedistry. Thank you.